Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Just now my wife told me that she ordered some kajang satay today. So I was thinking that the only thing is missing is probably a little bit more of veggie and some soup, yeah, to go with the satay later. So I'm going to make a very simple vegetable soup with some leftovers I had from last night steamboat. I remember when I first started cooking, soup to me is actually quite difficult. I don't know why. I just simply don't know why. Because after that, after a while, actually soup is the easiest thing. Yeah, and you don't really need a long time to cook a very nice soup, because there are some tricks that you can actually make use of it to make a very nice soup within a couple of minutes. Yeah, and I'm saying within 10 minutes. All right, like what I'm going to do today within 10 minutes, and it's going to taste so good. So I have some. This is a veggie roll from last night steamboat, and some seafood tofu from last night steamboat. Just don't want to waste it. I like the veggie roll a lot because of the coriander, yeah, fresh coriander inside. And I have some Chinese cabbage here. Now, one of the thing that really, one of the thing that's why to make your soup in to taste really good within a couple of minutes is this thing. This is chicken broth, or chicken stock, sorry, chicken stock. And I'm going to mix the chicken stock with some water. Usually, this is how I measure. One bowl of this is approximately for one adult. I'm cooking for 3 adults, so I'll be using 1 portion of this plus another 2 portions of hot water. Okay? Of course, if you can use 100% of your chicken stock, that will taste even better. Up to you. And I always have chicken stock in my freezer. Yeah, you can search for my video, how do I make my pork broth, my chicken stock, or my vegetable stock. Use the stock to always use the soup to cook a soup, then your soup will taste very good. Okay, so and then with this is I have a little bit of onion oil here, also homemade. What else? That's it. And a little bit of seasoning later. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so first of all, prepare a pot. Put in the chicken stock and also the extra water. Bring it to a boil before adding in the rest of the ingredient. Okay, once it is boiling, you can actually put in the Chinese cabbage. The rest of the ingredient, a little bit of garlic oil. I took out the onion oil just now, but I feel my onion oil is a little bit not so fresh, so I'm using my garlic oil. Okay, so this oil here is actually used as a seasoning purposes. My favorite fish sauce, ONG KY. All the ingredients that I use, maybe except for the steamboat lah, the steamboat thing, the one you can get it from any supermarket. But all the seasoning and stuff, you can actually get it from you can actually get it from the. I'll put it inside the description. I'll put the link inside the description. A little bit of white pepper. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt. It's basically done. Okay, just let it boil for a minute or two. When the veggie becomes fully cooked, then it's done. That's how simple it is. It's still going to taste really good. Alright, so I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.